Okay, today is the Saturday, the 4th of October. Just stained the docks and the swim float. Worked out nice. I just don't see I'm not sure where the mooring ball is. Usually it's around here someplace, but not there. Not over here. Not over there. Don't see it over here. No. 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 Not there. Okay. Not in there. Not in there. Not on the... Last year, I think they put it on the deck. No. Huh. Well, I don't know. We'll have to check with them later, I guess. Don't see it. All right.